As a follow-up to my Miele Steam Oven automated cleaning video, here are some very important tips for the steam oven that I wish Miele would have told me before I bought this oven. The first tip is about descaling. Now, the oven does remind you when it's time, but what many people don't realize is that once the 10 warnings are done, it just locks the steam function, and so you cannot escape descaling anymore. And when you start the descaling program going to maintenance descale, it asks you to fill the water container to the curvy arrow symbol and then add the descaling agent. When I first bought the oven, I used a regular descaling agent that specifically said that it was suitable for steam ovens. So I assumed that something like this would work perfectly. But the second time I used it, the oven stopped in the middle of the descaling cycle, showed an error, and it would not exit the program. So I actually had to call a technician to fix it, and he told me this is a very common mistake and advised me to only use the original Miele descaling tablets for this oven. So I learned this the hard way, but then I ordered the Miele descaling tablets, and there are 6 tablets in this packet, and you need to use 2 tablets for every cycle. So I actually had used 1 tablet and I got the error again. And I don't know what it is, but you need to use 2 tablets for the cycle. Now fill the water tank up to the curved arrow mark, which sits slightly below the maximum line, as you can see. And then let's drop in the 2 descaling tablets. They'll start bubbling immediately, and it almost takes you back to your chemistry lab or to your fizzy vitamin C tablets or aspirin. You may have seen this chemical reaction before, and it's actually quite satisfying to watch. Now let them do their thing. It takes about 10 minutes for the tablets to dissolve completely. You'll see the bubbling gradually slow down and the water turn clear. And once the solution looks like this, like clear with maybe a few small bubbles at the bottom, but you know the tablets are fully dissolved, it's ready to use. And once you empty the condensate container and start the program, it takes 41 minutes to complete. Okay, so my second tip is about rinsing and drying. Now, after every steam cycle, the oven prompts you to do the rinse cycle automatically. So it asks you to fill it with water, close the door, blah, 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 10 minutes of rinse. And you think that the oven is clean now, I'm done with my cooking and I can go away. But no, because as you can see, the oven still has a lot of water, and this is not good for the oven at all, because any water or moisture left in the steam oven while it's not in use can lead to bacterial buildup and may also cause small internal components to rust. And I would have normally expected ovens to automatically prompt a drying cycle as well, and I'm not sure why Miele doesn't include this, but because of that you'll need to start a drying cycle yourself. And so this takes another 10 minutes and you start it from the maintenance menu again, but this ensures that the oven is fully dry and clean and it will last much longer. So I hope you enjoyed these tips for your steam oven, and thank you for watching. Bye.